So what do you want to play next time? How about like, oh, we could try tic-tac-toe. You could just tell me where you want to put like your O, and then I could put it on there for you.
Aren't you supposed to jump from space to space?
What are you playing?
All right.
No, tic-tac-toe, X's and O's. Hi.
What?
How are you doing? Is it done?
I've been working, man. I've been working.
Looks good.
Done, we did good.
Yeah.
You got the correct U-bolts in. You got the correct nuts on the U-bolts. Don't forget your shocks. I'm sure you have, you got them out. You're ready to go. Just because this is a Daytona Charger doesn't mean that the rear axle was handled differently. You might expect to see a Dana because, oh, it's a super fast NASCAR. No, it was just a Dodge Charger RT when it started life. So that car has an 8 3/4 with a 3.55 to 1 gear ratio. Putting your KEPS, K-E-P-T-S nuts on the leaf spring hangers. Very nice.
Is it T on the end?
Yep.
I have
KEPS
the
nuts.
S.
I think it's
Don't
K-E-P-T-S.
get him started with spelling.
I believe. It looks good. I think if you put the shocks on it and the hangers, we'll also need a 2-inch patch of the red paint because he's running this original mags. And the factory, if that was a factory Magnum 500 car, you could see through the wheel, you'd see the red. Other than that, I think that looks great. We'll detail it before we put it in. Good job. With so many areas of the shop, it's been nice to watch the growth of the employees. I mean, we've really got a great team right now. And even though it takes a little bit to tune them up and get them thinking, once you do take that time, they know how important it is to me. So it's relaxing for me, and it's a peace of mind for me to know that they're doing their job. And that's going to help me to be able to get the cars done faster, which is going to make my clients happier, and to be more efficient across the board. And the fact that I don't have to sit in there and do it. So that's a winner all the way around. What did we end up with on the total number of parts?
375.
375?
Yeah.
Let me see. There's 2 there.
Well, Dad, it's the other freaking page.
What is this?
What is what? I didn't put them all down on that.
You didn't put them all down on it.
Well, no, because
Well, there's about 25 parts there.
Well, I started out and then I
25 parts
changed the way I was doing it because I just feel like that was gonna take forever and that sucked. So I just put them as marks like on the whiteboard, you know? Like, you know, when people are in prison
Where's the
and they just
whiteboard?
do,
It was right
like,
over there.
that's how it felt. I felt like I was in prison and I was going day by day. Putting, yeah.
Where is it?
It's upstairs.
Why would it be upstairs? I need the numbers.
Well, I didn't know
You're supposed to write down. What is Axle Housing? Is that like
It's
Axel
the Axle
Foley
Housing.
from Beverly Hills Cop?
Look, I don't have Merriam-Webster Dictionary as my, like...
No, but you graduated.
Yeah.
Remember that?
It was a long time ago.
Remember you walked down the aisle and you threw your
Do you
hat
know what
in
I
the air?
meant? You know what I meant, though, when you read it? See, that's all that matters.
What does it matter?
It doesn't.
Pumpkin, sugarcrypt, it's upstairs.
Yes, it's upstairs. It doesn't matter. I
So if
told
I
you
go
the number.
upstairs, okay.
Right?
Good news is the axle looks good, everybody. Wide shot, right there, that's camera guy on wide shot. Give him a thumbs up so everybody knows Mark's okay with it. So it looks good.
Thank you.
Nice work, very, very nice.
We did
Yes.
good. That's good.
It's getting better all the time.
Yep.
That's the whiteboard right there.
No.
That's it.
No, it's not.
Why is it down here? Why'd you lie to me?
Because I told you the number. Oh, God.